And we meet again, ladies and gentlemen. We do have a Sage, the Barista Pro. Everyone wants to be pro, of course, at anything. And probably that's the thing for you, if you want to be a pro. Barista Pro. We are looking at the beautiful thing, brand new. It heats up in 3 seconds. 3 seconds. That's a heating element. So we will size up grind amount. Oh wow. Okay. Anyway, shall we? Okay. Let's see what's going on in here. Well, another explaining of beautiful things, of course. Barista Pro instructions. Well, let's see. Let's see what's in here. Cup, as usual. Looks like bigger, but it's the same size like the old ones. It's pretty. It's cool. Shiny. What else we have? A little more about the cups you're gonna use and all the good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Filter, of course. Yes, water filter. Nice. Thank you so much. So what do we have here? This is kind of like nice packaging for the extra wall filters. A single one and dual wall filters. Very nice. Check this out. You can make a hole and just set this one up in here. Anyway, thank you. Thank you for that. What else we have there? As usual, you know what is this? I bet everyone likes to do like that. Sound beautiful. What else? What is this little unboxing again? So, tablets for cleaning. I recommend it. Needle and a little brush. Beautiful, beautiful. Another little box. Check this one out. It says the eraser. You're gonna have a razor. Wow. See. Finally, the machine itself. So how are we gonna do this? Unboxing top. Well, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen here? Okay. No. 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 So that's what's up. Ta-da! No struggle. No struggle. Because the Sage is not Breville. Breville is for the United States, Sage is for the Europe. Beautiful cup, of course. Always for your steamed milk. one is everything. Max. So you can see from inside and from outside how much max milk you can put in here. What else? Here it is. Here it is. Waiting for this. Waiting for this. Oops. I see. This is for your coffee. This is for your coffee beans, of course. Oh my gosh. Shiny. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ta-da! See? Of course, this goes in. Magnet. That's what you do every morning. To grind the coffee in here, push once. To brew the espresso, goes in. Beautiful. Beautiful. To lock it up, of course, you're gonna twist clockwise, counterclockwise. Unlock. Lock. Tank for the water, of course. Come with some special thing in there. Oh wow. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. That's what this is for. This way. I'm sorry. Good Lord. I didn't know. I didn't know. It's a beautiful tank. It's pretty. So, my understanding, that's what it is.